If you want to create a breakout section view, you have to first to draw the geometry to cut out in the view, and that you have to do, you select with right mouse button, you can select active sketch view, and then you go to sketch, and then you draw the geometry. I'm lazy, that's easy one with using splines. I've got, yeah, that's, and then you go finish, and then you go to home, and then you go to the view. This view we want to be cut, then it snaps, but I want to say this is the starting point for the cutout. Alexander, yeah, and that's the proper direction, so you don't have to change that. Then you can select this and apply. If you cannot find the active sketch view, you probably already activated one, and then you can sketch it and use the made sketch for the cutout. Thank you for your time.